children, good morning. Dear students, today we are going to continue the lesson, that is lesson number 4, air around us. Okay, dear students, in the previous class I have given detailed introduction about this lesson. So once again, only few points I will revise it, then I will go to the next part. Okay, dear students, we have learned about air around us. Yes, dear student, our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Yes, I have explained about this. Where we are living? We are living on the earth, and this earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Okay, and this atmosphere prevents the earth from getting very hot or very cold. What this atmosphere works here? It prevents the earth from getting very hot or very cold. So air supports life on earth. This thing we have learned in that. So after that we have learned about the properties of air. Is it, dear student? First property we have learned that we cannot see the air or taste the air or smell the air. Is it? We have learned in the previous class that first point, that is we cannot see or smell or taste the air. Then how can we understand that air is around us? Yes, by feeling. We can only feel the air. Is it? Whenever the cold wind is blowing, we feel very cold or no? It will touch our skin. Is it? Means we can only feel the air. This is the first property. Okay? Is it possible to see the air or smell the air or taste the air? No. Only we can feel the air. This is the first property. So second property what we have learned? Air takes up space and gives shape to things. Yes, dear students, you can do with the help of practical also. Take one balloon and you blow the air. What is the shape of the balloon? It may be round. The shape of the balloon is round. When you are blowing the air, it gives the shape like round. Is it? When you blow the air, the balloon exerts or it grows in a big size. If the balloon is long like a tube, if you will blow the air, it will become a long tube. Is it? So it will give the shape to the things. So this is the second property. Air takes up space and it gives the shape to the things. Is it? So third property what we have learned, air has weight. Yes, dear students, you are how you tell that air has weight? Dear students, you do simple one activity, that you take one stick and take two balloons, and both the balloons you have to blow it and tie both the balloons to the stick with the help of thread, and one balloon you pinch it. First you tie the balloon to the stick and you hold in the center. Both the balloons are filled air, it will show the equal balance. After seeing this, you pinch one balloon with the help of pin, then you see suddenly the balance is going like this. Is it? Means which balloon is blown or has a big size, it will go down, and which balloon has pinched and it has gone out the air, it will go up. Means by this experiment or by this activity, you can understand that air has weight, because the blown blown is going up or down and the pinched balloon is going up. But with this you can understand that which one is blown or big size balloon, it will goes down. Is it? So this is the third property. Air moves things. This is the fourth property. Dear student, just you come out of the house and you see the surrounding. Whenever the air is blowing, the trees are shaking. The leaves are shaking in the trees. By this we can understand that air moves things. Okay. Now fifth property is air exerts pressure. Dear students, when the hard air or wind blows, just you also just like moving. If the breeze is coming or the wind is blowing hardly, we are also getting moving, is it? And another activity, just your mother is preparing chapati. You just go in the kitchen while your mother is preparing chapati. When she is going to bake or cook the chapati on the tawa, just you see it become fluffy, is it? When you put the chapati on the tawa, while baking it become fluffy. By this we can understand that air exerts pressure. So these properties we have learned in the previous class. After that, what is air made of? That also we have learned in the previous class. Dear students, the air around Earth is a mixture of gases. Yes, the air is a mixture of gas, or the atmosphere is a mixture of gas. In this, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor or dust particles. These are all the gases, and it is a mixture of gas. In that we have learned that nitrogen is nearly 78% and of the Earth's atmosphere, and oxygen is for 21% of it, and the carbon dioxide is 1%, and it is also mixing with the other gases like water vapor and dust particles. Okay, so dear student, carbon dioxide helps to plants to make food. Is it? Plants prepare food by using carbon dioxide, and they will take in carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen. And all the human beings need oxygen to breathing. Understanding? We leave the carbon dioxide and we will take in oxygen. Okay, so carbon dioxide is used for plants to prepare the food. So breathing, after this we have learned the breathing fresh air. Yes, dear student, breathing fresh air is very healthy, is it? So whole day it is not possible to take a fresh air in the cities and all, because so many vehicles are running or factories are running, and the dirt smoke coming from the factories or the dirt vehicle smoke coming from the vehicles, so air becoming polluted. So early in the morning, if you will take a regular walk, you will get the cleanest air. Is it? In the early morning, you will get the cleanest air. So you have to take a regular walk during the early in the morning. Is it? Regular walks during this morning time. Then you will get the cleanest air. And this cleanest air breathing is very healthy, or it is very much needed for human beings. Okay. So dear students, this all we have learned in the previous class. So the main points what we have learned in this. First point, we have learned that air takes up space. Air takes up space and has weight. Yes. Second point, what we have learned, air is a mixture of gas. Air is a mixture of gas like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay. And third point, we have learned that breathing clean air. Okay, dear students, these are the main points we have learned in this lesson, that is air takes space and has weight. I have clearly given idea about this or introduction of how air takes space and has weight. So second point we have learned that air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Third point we have learned that breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. So in this lesson we have all learned about these points. Okay, dear student, till here this lesson is completed. Means lesson introduction or explanation is completed. So after this, you know that I will give the dictation words of this lesson. Okay, or difficult words. So I will give the difficult words. You copy all these words in your notebook. Okay. And dear students, while writing the dictation words, you just open the textbook, page number 258 and 59. 258 and 259. You have to open the textbook and copy all the dictation words. Okay? And miss, it will help to write the correct spellings. You will open the textbook and whatever the words I am giving, that all words are from textbook only. You have to see the word from the board also, and you will just see the word from the textbook. It will give you a correct spelling. Okay, so because of that you have to open the textbook and take down the dictation words. Okay, so first word is continent. So dear student, this is not the word. Breathe or surrounded. Layer, atmosphere, lens, supports, smell, taste, feel, space, shape, things, weight, moods, observers, pressure, mixture, gases, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, creatures, water vapor, dust particles, plants, clean, fresh air, heavy, regular. Okay, dear students, these are the difficult words from this lesson, and if you will try and learn these words, it is very helpful for writing the question answers. Okay, so once again I will read the dictation words. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. E-A-R-T-H, earth. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-E-D, surrounded. L-A Layer. ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere. PREVENTS. Prevents. SUPPORTS. Supports. SMELL. Smell. TASTE. Taste. FWL. Feel. SPACE. Space. SHAPE. Shade. THINDS. Things. WEIGHT. Weight. MOVES. Moves. EXERTS. Exerts. PRESSURE. Pressure. MIXTURE. Mixture. GASES. Gases. NITROGEN. Nitrogen. OXYGEN. Oxygen. CARBON. Dioxide. Carbon dioxide. CREATURES. Creatures. WATER. Water vapor. DUST. Dust. PARTICLE'S. Dust particles. PLANTS. Plants. CLEAN. Clean. FRESHAIR. Fresh air. HEALTHY. Healthy. REGULAR. Regular. Okay, dear students, you have to copy these dictation words in your notebook and write and learn each words 5 times. Then it will be very easy for writing the questions. Okay. Now I will continue this lesson with fill in the blanks. Dear students, on page number 260 and here evaluate part, that is group A, fill in the blanks. Okay. I will write down the answers. You have to copy in your textbook. Okay. First one is fill in the blanks. Yes, number 1. We can only dash air. Okay, first I will write down the questions. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called dash. Third one means dash forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Fourth one is air has dash. And fifth one is air takes up dash. Okay. Dear students, the first question is we can only dash the air. So what is the answer? We can only fill the air. Okay. Second is the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Okay. Then dash forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Then which gas is about 78% here? Nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen forms about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Fourth one, air has weight. Air has weight. And air takes up space. Okay, dear students, these are the fill in the blanks. You have to copy the answers in the textbook. So once again I will read here. We can only fill the air. Second is the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. And third one is nitrogen forms about 78% of the earth's atmosphere. Fourth is air has weight. And fifth is air takes up space. Air takes up space. So dear student, till here I will stop. In the next class I will come with match the following. Okay? Thank you.